What is up, Harries, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little channel update, a little what's going on in my life, and I also want to be sharing with you guys a quick little kitchen haul on some kitchen stuff that I got. Start off by saying thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for leaving comments. Thank you guys for thumbsing up the video. I truly appreciate all of you for supporting me and for supporting my journey. It really means a lot to me. So I have some exciting news. A lot of y'all probably already know. Probably some of my older subscribers, y'all already know, because I did share bits and pieces of it, that I was in the process of having my own place, and I'm excited with this journey, but also in the process I am developing and becoming a better version of myself. So I did realize that I have a lot of stuff, and before I move into my new place, I feel like I need to declutter and get rid of a lot of stuff that I just don't use, and a lot of stuff that I just don't need. Moving forward, I do plan on sharing those types of videos with you guys. I hope it is something that you will find interesting. If y'all want to see like a furniture haul, I could probably do a furniture haul. Yeah, because this is a new couch that I got. I got a lot of like coffee tables and end tables and a lot of cute little stuff. So if that's something y'all would find interested, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, or just give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, some of y'all don't know a lot about me, but a lot of you do. I don't really share too much of my life, my personal life, on YouTube, just for safety reasons. But I do have 2 sons. I did record some videos with them in the past. I am married, and I do live in the US Virgin Islands. That's my accent. That's the accent that y'all hear. A lot of people figure it out and some people just don't. But I do live in a St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands, and yeah, I do have braces. A little quick update on the braces. I will be going to them next week Friday to get an impression and hopefully get my retainers from someplace else. So that's good. I hope that goes through. So I started binge watching Marie Kondo. And Marie Kondo, if y'all don't know who she is, she's pretty much like a organization guru. I also like watching Tammy B. Jones, and I love watching At Home with Denise. I love all of them. Like, they inspire me to create a space that I will feel joyful about. I want to share that part of my life with you guys, and I want to see if that's something that y'all will like. I'm going to share with you a complete different video where I share how messy I have some stuff. I try to be neat, I try to be organized, but yeah, and there's no excuse, but I have some mess. And my kids have a lot of clothes, and I have a lot of clothes. My husband not so much, but I have a lot of clothes. Not so much shoes, but I have a lot of clothes that I don't need. It's not a lot in total, but it's a lot. Too much for one person, pretty much. So Marie Kondo, her method is pretty much you take all your clothes. Let me know in the comments down below if y'all watch her. She has a show on Netflix. So you take all your clothes, all the clothes that you own, and you pile them on top of your bed, and then you go through each one and be like, does this spark joy? Yes. If it sparks joy, then you keep it. But if it doesn't, then you'll donate it. Or if it's not in good condition, then you trash it. And then you do the same thing with like books. You do the same thing with miscellaneous stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I really need to do that. I really need to do that with my life. I need to get myself together, because when I move into my new space, I just don't want clutter. I don't want to be untidy. I want to be neat. I want to be organized. I want my children to be neat. I want them to be organized. And I want this to be something that, you know, they could carry forward in their life and with their children. So yeah, so to me, I feel like it's going to be a new chapter, and it is a new chapter for all of us, you know. So yeah, I want to share that with you guys. What else? I don't know, y'all don't really ask questions about me too much, because I just share a lot of hair videos and rice water videos, so that's all you kind of know me for. But I want y'all to, you know, kind of get to know me as a person. That way you could bond with me outside of hair videos, because I am more than just hair videos. But nonetheless, I will be doing hair videos because that's what I like to do. But I also want to share other parts of my life with you guys, okay? So real quick, I will be giving you guys a sneak peek of what one of my furniture pieces look like, okay? A sneak peek, so stay tuned. You'll get a sneak peek of one of the items that I think is so cute. Stay tuned. Isn't this the cutest little thing you ever did see? It is the cutest, look. So this is one of the furniture pieces that I got. It is so cute, and it has like a little drawer. It's really pretty. And at first, to be honest, at first I really didn't want to buy white stuff, but Tommy really inspired me with white stuff. And I'm like, I have kids, you know, white stuff and kids, it's like, I don't know. I just felt like this was so cute that I had to get it. And I'm going to show you guys some other little kitchen items. This was gifted to me by my mom. Nonetheless, I'm including it in this haul because I think it's really cute. And the other items, I'm going to be sharing it with you guys. So, I love copper. I like copper lights. I like copper kitchen stuff. I just like the look of copper stuff. So I got some copper salt and pepper shake. I also got a copper garlic peeler, a can opener, and I got these from, I think, Home Goods or TJ Maxx. I believe it was TJ Maxx. And I got this pizza cutter. I also got the peeler. I got measuring cup. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I got some measuring spoons. And this was, okay, so the theme of my new home is calm, soothing colors such as blues and greens and blue greens. Also white and gray. This room that I'm in, because it's nighttime, you can't really see that it's like a light gray, but the walls are light gray. The roof is white. The doors is white. And the room over here is cream, but the laundry room is like a green, like a blue green. My bedroom is like a blue. Beautiful. And the house is like a blue. So I kind of want to stick to the same theme with my kitchen. So the kitchen is going to be white and gray, but it's going to have, you know, different shades of blues and greens. So my mom got me this. It's a set with 4 cups. 4 cups, and it has, oh, don't break. 4 cups, and it has 4 bowls, and inside the bowl is like blue and green, which is perfect. And then it also comes with 4 plates, like 4 really cute plates. And it also comes with 4 smaller plates. It's a nice little set, and I believe she got this set from Kmart. We still have a Kmart down here. I know a lot of them closed down, but we still have Kmart down here, and this is the set. It is really nice, and that's it. That's it for my cute little kitchen haul. And like I told you guys in the update, I'll share like some furniture pieces with you guys. I plan on sharing like how I decide to decorate certain rooms. Yeah, and I'll share with you guys some light fixtures or something, like those 2 in the back. Those are my favorite. I just like glass, and I like rustic stuff. So these lights in the back, they have like a little copper or gold stem, and it has like a glass, and it has vintage lights in it. It's so pretty. Yeah, can you tell? I'm like so excited. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I just wanted to do this quick update and tell you guys what to look forward to, and share with you guys this cute little kitchen haul. I have lots more. Oh wait, I have something cute that I just bought today that is going to go in the kitchen. So wait, let me show you. Check this out. Oh my gosh, it says happy day, and I'm going to hang it up in the kitchen. I got this from Kmart, and I think it's really cute. I don't know what I'm going to put in it, but I'm sure I could put anything really cute inside it, and it's going to be hung in the kitchen. I think it's going to be really nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.